Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Welcome to the year 2025. Something new today. So we're talking about something about Simon. Very short videos about Simon today. What Simon do and what Simon work for, and what we do every day and daily work. About Simon Tools. I repair and service pass-load gun. Everything like air compressor, like Conquest saw, everything like Conquest saw, steel Husqvarna, and the blow-up saws we can repair. Or sometimes people on the shop site, people love to do the air compressor like this one. If they got air compressor, they can fold the motor. I can replace another motor or put aftermarket motor, cheaper and better for them. So make the pump work 100% for customer. So Simon introduce you today is Simon have 10 guns, and we are fully serviced and ready for sale, ready to sell. And this is sometime we have to repair a lot of work, like repair control motor and making flashing light different color if they're missing LED light. And this is how Simon's full service. We test the gun with the fan, motor fan. See the fan sound good or the ignition sound good. Check everything, see anything broken, so anything loose or wobbling, see the safety pin we have to check. We test and check before we service, and if gonna be a very long process, so we only show you a shortcut what we done and how we do it for before we serve it or before we selling the gun for you guys. Or that's how Simon basic service the gun as well. If sometimes it's broken this and faulty this and that, we have to get see the missing bolt put in and make sure it's 100%. The nail got to go smooth. The very important is if you service the gun, the nail not loading up properly, so we no good. So we have to fix this straight away. Down like that quick, okay? Got to be very quick. Before put on sale, I put all full service, take out and clean all like nice and new. This is all the inside of the gun. Every time when we service, and we open up and check them before we let go the gun and sell for my friend if they want it, or if anyone want to buy a gun. So this is how we service all the way from A to Z, everything. If it's something wrong, we replace the motor fans, PC board right here, and this is how they look like inside. We better check and make sure it should. The most important is after when service the gun, the bullet have to come out. So we very carefully test the nail that come in, make sure the nail is loading nice and smooth. If it's not smooth, it never come out. So mostly for the new model gun like this one, it have a problem with this one for time being. The dust and sand, it stop and slow down the nail to go in. So that's why sometimes you get trouble with the shooting. So dust go in for a while and the nail not loading properly. That's why people got sick of using this gun. But actually this gun is really good, and that's how I do service the gun for you guys. Important is this one has to be push the nail up 100%. Sound very healthy. Go through here. Ready. Right there. Gun work well. Okay, gun work well. Look. Right here. Hit another nail and go here. So working good. Okay. Done. That sometimes you have the problem with the coil gun and stuck nail. Don't ever try to smash on and you may broke something inside. Come see Simon. Simon will get it out for you. Not only that, Simon can repair any power tool as well. Drill, breast drills, Milwaukee ram set, whatever is, Makita, saws, electric saw, electric drills, jackhammer, everything. Come here, Simon can repair. 10 gun this year. This year Simon have 10 guns for sale. If anyone need to buy or service, please contact Simon on email, and we will show you a bit of videos how Simon process and sell them before we put them on sale. We prepare, repairs, service, before we put on sale for you guys. And 2025, we don't know how many more 25 years, how many more 5 years we're gonna live, but a bit new for Simon this 2025. So I hope to see you and contact with you guys on my YouTube channel. And if you guys have so many guns on the job site, call Simon, contact Simon. I will come to job site. If around Campbelltown, around here, Sydney, I can come to job site and do service for you guys. Okay, this is the complete how we service this gun. And before we selling the gun for you, we have to be guaranteed 100% working. Like what I will show you earlier, what Simon do, like selling and service guns, and prepare any other tools, compressor saws, air compressor, anything about power tools. Please contact Simon on email and get to Simon, and we will help you. Thanks for watching short videos about Simon Tools. See ya.